What's going on, everybody? Chump Change XD here. Hope you're all staying healthy, having a great day. All right, those GPUs, they've been sitting there for literally like 2-3 weeks at this point. I need to get them built up on a rig. So I'm just gonna take all of this miscellaneous pieces because, as you guys know, I've been trying to keep all of my rigs uniform. So I've been putting GPUs, like specific ones with specific ones, into these new AAAWAVE sluice frames, and yeah, that's been my goal. So now I am left with like this hodgepodge of mixed GPUs. So like these three cards right here, I have one non-LHR 3060 Ti and I have two LHR 3060 Ti's. Then I got two 1660 Supers. One's just normal Zotac, this one's an MSI gaming. I have the 3060 Ti Aorus, non-LHR, and actually none of these are LHRs. There's a 3060 Ti and two 3070s, I believe. And then this one is an LHR 3060 that I got from actually Red Panda Mining. So thank you for that. And that one is from Anonymous Miner, actually. Sent over a 570 for the wife. These cards have just been down way too long and I need to just get them up and running. This rig is going to be disassembled again at some point. I don't have any GPU risers fans to put on the back of this. I'm actually using GPU risers, but these are the 6 capacitor ones for the most part, and I have two 8 capacitors. These are all just used leftover that I actually had extra, so I do need to get some new 8 capacitor risers and some more fans. The order is going to be placed shortly once I get a tally of what I actually need. So I am going to slam all of those cards into this frame, and I want to get it downstairs on the monster rack inside that grow tent, and I want to see what the 20 amp PDU is going to be pulling with this rig built up. So you guys are going to see this all built up in 3, 2, 1. There it is, complete mess. So I actually didn't have enough splitters. Typically on a rig build, what I do is I will split at least one of the connections on top to go down to the riser, and since these only have one port, it's perfect to more or less jump from here to the riser and only have one cable down to the breakout board. But in this case, I actually ran individual strands for every single card except for this one, more or less. I only had like a few splitters. I used it on these cards with the 2 8 pins, and I think down here on the RX 570, everything else is home runs, like literally from the riser to the board. So there's 1,000 cables, way more than you actually need to build a rig, which is hysterical, but whatever. I just needed to get this thing back together and hashing, because with this together, putting this down on that monster mining rack, I should be cresting 5 gigahash, and I am super excited about that. That's a huge milestone for me in general. So yeah, let's get this thing downstairs on that rack. I can't wait to see the 7th frame on this rack. There's only going to be 3 spots left. That's crazy. We made it. A little noisy in here, but to be honest, it is super cool. 97, and that's at the top of the tent. I'd say mid-tent area right here, it's about like 70 or 80. It feels very cool, actually. All right, let's get this thing turned on and fix this, because that's annoying. All right, let's fire this thing up. The SSD should be flashed with my CCXD7. That's the only one I have out. I unset the flight sheet because I want to get all the clocks all set, so let's hope for the best. And I do need to order 3 more screens because I don't have any more, unfortunately. All right, give me just a second. I want to jump into the overclocks and see what's going on. So there she is, all built back up and creating a buttload of heat for me to have to deal with. Absolutely love it. But guys, this is just meant to be a short video. I just wanted to get this rig back up and running. Obviously it sucks to hear me in here, but now we have a total of 85 GPUs inside this grow tent. I need to get on the intake and exhaust for this thing ASAP. As always, guys, please stay safe. Appreciate you all for watching. Also, don't forget hump day hashing later on tonight, 5:30 Eastern Standard Time, and we'll do some overclocking inside Hive OS. Have a good day. Peace.